Now the next gate is a NOT gate. The NOT gate is an electronic circuit that produces in a inverted version of the input at its output. It is also known as an inverter. If the input variable is A, the inverted output is known as not A. Okay, this is also shown as A dash or A with a bar over the top. That is nothing but like this. Okay, then as shown at the outputs, can be the diagrams below show two ways that the NAND logic gate can be configured to produce a NOT gate. It can also be done using NOR logic gates in the same way. If you see here, the NOT gate have only one input and single output. Okay, the NOT gate have only the single input and the single output because it shows the inversion. Okay, so here the combinations is C is equal to 2 to the power 1 because here input number is 1. Okay, so 2 to the power 1 is equals to answer is 2. So here the input combinations is 2. Okay, and always we start the input table that is from 0. Okay, always we start the input table with 0, not with 1. Okay, 0 0 is the first combination. Then it is nothing but it is not A. Okay, output is, if input is A then output is not A. That is nothing but the inversion of that input. So if we provide the 0, then the output is not A, that is nothing but the 1. That is the inversion of 0 is 1. And if we provide the input 1, so it is not A, that is not 1. Then what is that the output? That is 0. Means it provide the inversion of that input. If we provide 0, then it gives us 1 output. Then if we provide 1 to the logic gate, that is NOT gate, then it provide V, that is 0. Okay, this is the NOT gate operation, and the symbolic representation, that is nothing but here this is the symbolic representation for the NOT gate. This is the Boolean expression for the NOT gate, that is C is equal to bar A bar. Okay, or we also write that, okay, we can also say that C is equal to A dash. Okay, this is also a Boolean expression for the NOT gate, and this is the truth table for the NOT gate. Then now we see the next slide, that is universal gates. NAND and NOR are two gates which are called as universal gate, as a three basic gates can be constructed using either one of the two. Means what? Why the NAND and NOR are called as universal gates? Because by using the one of the gate, either if we use NOR gate or we use NAND gate. Okay, by using this gate we can build or we can uh, construct any other gate like basic gates or derived gates. So these gates are called as universal gates because we can construct any other gates, any other basic gates by using those gates. Okay, if we use NAND gate, then by using NAND gate we can construct OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. And if we use the NOR gate, then we can construct AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate by using only the NOR gate. Okay, so these gates are called as universal gates. Okay, the question is always in the exam, why NAND or NAND and NOR gates are called as universal gates. So the answer is, by using the NAND and NOR gate, we can construct any gates, that is nothing but basic gates, by using either one of the two. Okay, this therefore implies that all logic circuits can be constructed using either of the gates. So the notes show this process for NAND only, but it can be shown for NOR also. Okay, so NAND gate, this is a not AND. Okay, this is nothing but the inversion of AND gate. Okay, this is nothing but the not of AND gate, which is equal to an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. Okay, the outputs of all NAND gates are high if any of the inputs are low. The symbol is an AND gate with a small circle on the output. The small circle represents the inversion. Okay, so this is nothing but these small circles. Small circle is what? Here. What is the small circle? Here the here is shown that the symbol is an AND gate. Okay, if we cut this, okay, this if we okay, if we see this bubble, okay, if we see this bubble or small circle on the output, if we remove that, then is looks like a AND gate. Okay, if we draw here, okay, wait, we draw I draw here, this is the AND gate. Okay, this is the AND gate. Okay, so if we draw the bubble, okay, if we remove this bubble, then it looks like AND gate. But if we draw the bubble or a circle at the output line, then it seen as a NAND gate. Okay, that is nothing but not AND. That means if the output of AND gate, output for the AND gate is not the output for the NAND gate, means what? If here AND gate, if you see here, AND gate truth table consists of 0 0 combination, then it is 0. Okay, so wait, I will show you the AND gate slide. Okay, this is the AND gate. Okay, this is the AND gate, right? So if we see here truth table of AND gate, then we if we find out the truth table of NAND gate, then what we have to change? Okay, because NAND gate, because in a NAND gate we seen that NAND gate is not AND. Okay, means the output for the AND gate, okay, output for the AND gate here 0, then this 0 is becomes a 1 for NAND gate, then this 0 is also becomes a 1 because not, because what, definition shows that not AND. Okay, so output of the AND gate is 0, then what is the output for the NAND gate? It is 1. Then here second output is 1 0, then output for the NAND gate is 1. Then third in output is also 1 0, then for a NAND gate the output will be 1. And here the last one is 1, then it is not AND gate, so it is shows the 0 output. Okay, means what? It is nothing but the output inversion of the AND output. Okay, inversion of the AND output means inversion of the AND output. If we see here the NAND input, okay, that is nothing but 1 1 1 and 0. Okay, this is the NAND input, that is nothing but, and for AND gate it is shows the 0 0 0 1. Okay, because the definition says that it is not AND, that is A dot B whole bar. Okay, so what is the A dot B? 0.0 is 0, but bar shows the inversion, means not 0, then what is that answer? 1. Okay, again 0.1, that is 0 into 1 is 1. Okay, but bar shows not 1, that is nothing but 0 into 1 is 0, but the C output shows that bar, so it is 1. Then 1.0 is 0, but inversion, that is nothing but bar bar gives the answer is 1. Then 1.1 for AND gate, 1.1 is 1, but it is not AND, no, so it is 0. So this is the operation truth table for the AND gate. This is the symbolic representation. This C will gives the Boolean expression and this will gives the truth table. Okay, next we see the NOR gate. This is a not or. Okay, NOR gate what? N stands for not. Okay, and this is or. Okay, N stands for not and this is or, means what? Not or gate. Mean here not or means what? If we see the outputs of the not or gate, then the output of the NOR gate, what is the difference in output in the NOR gate and NOR gate and OR gate? That difference is only the last this y. Okay, so here if we see, this is a not OR gate which is equal to an OR gate followed by a NOT gate. The dots of all NOR gates are low if any of the inputs are high. The symbol is an OR gate with a small circle on the output. Okay, this circle shows the NOR gate operation. Okay, if we remove that circle, then it seems like no OR gate. Okay, simple OR gate. So, but if we add that bubble at the output side, then it represents the symbol for NOR gate. The small circle represents the inversion. That is nothing but if we draw like okay, if we draw here OR gate and this is NOT gate. Okay. You can draw like this. This is OR gate. Okay, and this output is nothing but OR gate output, and if we connect here NOT gate, then output will get invert. Okay, so here OR gate operation, then we add here NOT gate. This is the NOT gate. Then if first combination we take, that is 0 and 0. So for OR gate, 0 and 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Here output is 0. But if we passes that input, that is 0, from the NOT gate, then we get the output that is 1. So here output is 1. Okay. Then 0 and 1, if we pass 0 and 1, if we pass here 0 and 1, second combination, then here 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, but if we pass that 1 through the NOT gate, then the output will be 0. So second, it shows the 0. Again we change the inputs, that is 1 and 0. That is the third combination. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, and inversion of 1 is 0. Then next is last combination is 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 for OR gate, and if we passes that 1 through NOT gate, then we will get the output as a 0. So this is nothing but the truth table for the NOR gate. Okay, now we see the XOR gate. The exclusive OR gate is a circuit which will give a high output if either but not both of its two inputs are high. An encircled plus sign, okay, is used as to show the XOR operation. That is nothing but this plus sign, encircled plus sign. This sign shows the XOR operation. Okay, the symbol for XOR gate is this. If we draw the OR gate, okay, if we draw the OR gate, and just we have to draw this line for the XOR gate. Here the two inputs, that is A and B, so combinations is C is equal to 2 to the power 2, that is nothing but the 4 combination. So combinations is nothing but 4. So Boolean expression is C is equal to A XOR B. Okay, C is equal to A XOR B, where C is the output and A and B are the inputs. We can also write the output of the XOR gate like this, A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. Okay. Now we verify the truth table. Okay, we take a one combination and verify using this Boolean expression. So first combination is 0 0. If we take 0 0, here A is 0 and B is also 0. So expression is A dot B bar, okay, plus A bar dot B. So A is 0 and B bar means not B. So B is also 0 means what? 1. B bar is nothing but 1 plus A bar means not A. So input is A is nothing but 0 but not A means what? It is 1, that is inversion, and B is 0. Now apply here AND gate operation. 0 into 1 is 0 plus 1 into 0 is 0. Then again here OR operation 0 plus 0 is 0. So answer is 0. Okay. If we take the second combination 0 1, if we take the second combination 0 1, then A is 0 and B is 1 here. So A is 0, B is 1, so B bar is nothing but 0, plus A bar is 0, A is 0, then A bar is 1 and B is 0. Then 0 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0, so 0 plus 0 is equal to 1. Sorry, wait. We take, okay, here A is 0, then A bar is 1 and B is here 1. Okay, so 0 dot 0 is 0 plus 1 dot 1 is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So answer is 1. Okay. Similarly, other two combinations are, we can verify the other two combinations for a XOR gate. Okay. Then next is XNOR gate. XNOR gate means exclusive NOR gate. Circuit does not does the opposite to the XOR gate, that is nothing but not XOR. Okay, it will give a low output if either but not both, okay, of its two inputs are high. The symbol is an XOR gate with a small circle on the output. Okay, because the circle is shows, because this circle shows the NOT operation. The small circle represents the inversion. Okay, this is the symbolic representation for the XNOR gate. This is the Boolean expression for the NOR gate. Okay, that is A XOR B, and this is the truth table for the XNOR gate. Here inputs are 2, so combinations are 4. So 0 dot 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, if we see here A dot A bar B plus A B bar, then if we take the if we take the last combination, okay, that is 1 1. So here A is 1, so A bar is 0 dot B is 1 plus A is 1, then B bar is 0. So 0 into 1, wait 1 second, it is 0 and B is 1. Okay, then here it is 1 into 0 into 1 is 0 plus 1 into 0 is 0. Okay, so 0 plus 0 is 0, but it is not XOR, so not 0 means what? Answer is 1. Okay, because XNOR is nothing but not XOR, so inversion of XOR gate. So here we simply put the bar on the equation of the XOR gate. So this is the XNOR gate, and we will see all the logic gates, that is types of logic gate: basic gates, universal gate and derived gate. Okay, thank you.